Monochromatic light of wavelength 600 nanometer is incident from air on a glass surface. What are the wavelength, frequency and speed of refracted light? Refractive index of glass is 1.5. Okay. So monochromatic light of wavelength is given lambda equal to, so wavelength lambda equal to 600 nanometer. So lambda equal to 600 nanometer, which is equal to lambda equal to 600 nanometer equal to 600 into 1 nanometer 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay. And is incident from air on the glass surface. What are the wavelength, frequency? Okay. But in case of, we know C is the velocity of light. Okay, C is the velocity of light. Velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This one is given, but during refraction, okay, now during refraction, frequency remains unchanged. Okay, during the refraction, frequency remains unchanged. This statement is very important. Okay, during the refraction, the frequency remains unchanged, but both wavelength and speed get changed. Okay, that means during the refraction, frequency remains unchanged, but both wavelength and speed get changed. Okay, so frequency कौन होगा जते हमर रिफ्रैक्शन होगा, frequency टा constant होइबे माने चेंज होबनी, आउ किंतु wavelength आउ speed टा कोन जिबे ना चेंज होबो. Okay, so frequency equal to, first we have to calculate frequency, so that means f. Okay, f and frequency f is equal to c by lambda. Okay, c by lambda. Okay, so frequency is equal to c by lambda. So velocity, c is the velocity of light, lambda is the wavelength, is equal to 600 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, but in case of frequency, so f is equal to 3 by 6 into 10 to the power 8, here 9 10 11 10 to the plus 11. Okay, so got 3 2. Okay, 3 2s, so that is 1 by 2 into this one also written as 10 to the power how much, 10 to the power 19. Okay, sorry not 11, and 2 power 2 will reduce to how much, 7, so it's 15, 10 to the power 15. Okay, so that frequency is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 14 watts. So it here that means 1 by 2 into 10 into 10 to the power 14 got to equal 5. Okay, that frequency is equal to this much. Okay, the frequency is given. Now I have to calculate speed of light. Speed of refracted light. Refracted light. Okay, the speed of refracted light means V glass, speed of glass is equal to velocity of light divided by refractive index of glass. 3 into 10 to the power 8, refractive index of glass 1.5. Here refractive index is 1.5. That means mu G, mu glass 1.5. Okay, so is nothing but, so 3 into decimal 15 by 10, so 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 15 into 10. Okay, so this one is the 15 by 10. Now 3 into 10 to the power 8 here. Got 5, 5 got 2. So speed of glass is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now the question is wavelength. Wavelength of refracted light, okay, the wavelength of refracted light, that is lambda glass. Okay, the lambda glass is equal to V glass divided by frequency. V glass is equal to, already velocity of glass equal to here 2 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, 10 to the power 8 divided by frequency is give frequency how much? 5. 5 into 10 to the power 14. Okay, so in this problem, so 2 into 10 to the power 8, 5 into 10 to the power 8 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, so 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 8 will be cancel. Okay, so 2.5 into 10 to the power 6, so that is V lambda glass is equal to 2.5 10 to the power 6, and this one is nothing but how much? 4 into 10 to the power, this one is, so 2.5 means how much? 2.5 means 0.4 into 10 to the power 6, that means 10 to the power minus, okay, 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, that is meter is equal to 4 into, so that is 400 into 10 to the power 400 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So lambda glass is equal to 400 nanometer. Okay, lambda glass is equal to 409 nanometer. So first condition is the monochromatic light of wavelength 600 nanometer. So that lambda is equal to 600 nanometer. That is 600 in 10 to the 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power here 1 nanometer is also 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, so I am using 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So velocity of light is this much, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Mu glass is this much. Okay, but during the refraction, okay, that refracted light means during the refraction frequency remains unchanged. Okay, that means frequency never changed. Okay, frequency remain constant, but both wavelength and the speed get changed. Okay, wavelength is also changed and speed is also changed. Due to that depend upon the medium. Okay, medium means one is rarer medium, other is the denser medium, and the denser medium that depend upon the particles, number of particles present in the rarer medium and denser medium. Obviously the rarer denser medium is more particles and the space is less space between the two particles. Okay, that velocity also changed. The frequency, you know frequency, so frequency is equal to f is equal to c by lambda. C is the velocity of light, lambda is the wavelength. So wavelength of given light is given, so velocity of light is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8, and wave lambda is also given, so 600 this much, and the frequency 3 by 6 into 10 to the power 8 plus 7 is equal to, now in case of simplify this version is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Second one is the, we have to find the speed of refracted light. The speed means speed of refracted light means here speed of glass. Okay, so that medium is glass. One medium is air medium, other is second medium is the glass, means denser medium. So the V glass is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by refractive index. So refractive index what? Refractive index of glass. This one is the refractive index of glass. Okay, so the C of velocity of light is this much, refractive index is 1.5, and so we get V glass, velocity of glass is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But next one is the wavelength of the refracted light. Wavelength is equal to lambda glass, so lambda glass equal to V glass by F. Okay, but in case of medium, this one is the medium, not a C, so is V is equal to lambda F, but this one is the medium. Okay, velocity of glass already calculated, 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and the frequency is already, so here frequency, and now so lambda glass is equal to 400 nanometer. Okay, thank you for watching my video.